dneska máme tady fenomenální afterparty 90s Explosion Prague 2025 a bude to fenomenální večer. Takže 90ky, to je úplně všechno, to je celý svět a díky, že jste tady!
We're celebrating 30 years. I'm going to say it all night tonight because it's 30 years today. If you're not here, sorry, but we're having a little bit of fun here, all right?
Nemám prostě slov a to, že vidím ty hvězdy naživo, je pro mě životní událost.
Hi, my name is Tony Coutura. I'm a music producer. I produce NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, Marky Mark, Britney Spears, Fun Factory, Underdog Project. I hope for the next year everybody's gonna come and enjoy all these beautiful things. So, let's go!
One time it's in a thing.
Hey, yo, what's up? It's your boy Rob Money, aka C Blocks in the building. And I want to send a special shout out to my Czech fans out there. Coming to see you. I hope to see you soon. Thanks for the love and support. Love, peace, and hair grease. Have
$12:30. It's packed, it's full, the atmosphere is good. They're performing good out on the stage. We had a very good time here. Thanks very much. And it's always worth to come to Prague. Always. Thank you. Bye.
So please don't go. Don't go.
Hi, I'm Stacy, STAYNC, and I had a wonderful time with 90s Explosion tonight. I love you, you love me, and that is why I'll be back next year for definite sure. Please do not go. Don't go. Bye bye.
Please don't go. One more time. Don't go.